Martina. I'm 11 years old, and this is my friend Nuria.
Hi, I am Nuria. I am 11 years old,
And today we are going to cook cookies with chocolate.
Ingredients:
$350 grams of flour,
200 grams of sugar,
200 grams of butter,
2 eggs,
1 spoon of baking powder,
chocolate chips, and a little bit of salt.
You have to cook this
With the supervision of an adult.
We start with the cookies.
Yes, very good.
Come on. First, you have to wash your hands. With soap.
Put the oven at 180 degrees.
Next, you have to make the mixture for the cookies.
Mix the butter, the sugar, and the eggs. Slowly, you have to put the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Mix.
You have to add the chocolate chips at the mixture.
And mix.
You have to put the mixture with a spoon at the oven tray. After that, you have to bake the cookies and leave them 15 minutes.
out now the cookies, please.
No, you don't. You have to wait.
Finally, you have to take out now the cookies.
And here are the cookies.
Are delicious.
Enjoy!
Put the plate here, please.
The cookies are delicious. $350 grams of flour.
200 grams of
Sugar.
the oven and 180 grams.
350 grams of flour. 350 grams of flour. 350 grams of flour. Vamos a tener muchas tomas falsas. Y flour.